Lord Chaitanya is commenting on all the humans, the human species, and all the human beings in Vrindavan, old and young, and men and women, and servants and friends, and mothers and lovers. Everyone's attracted to Krishna. And then the gopis are saying, we're attracted to all their ladies. And then they're saying, and also the cows, and the deer, and the birds, and the trees. Go Kapadruma. So Lord Chaitanya, next verse in 58, he says, Pakshi mriga vakshalata chaitan achaitana preme mattakari akarshaye Krishna gun. Krishna's qualities, Krishna gun akarshaye. Prema mattakari akarshaye Krishna gun. Krishna's qualities are such that akarshe, he completely attracts everything, and everything, living and non-living. Chaitan, achaitan. Chaitan means with chitta, with consciousness, living spirit, conscious energy. Satchitanand. And achaitan, of course, that's getting into some fine points of discussion here, but just for the record of the book, trees, etc. Not trees, but I mean stones and dust. But we know that the dust is conscious, everything is conscious, and Vrindavan, everything is Krishna conscious. Everything in Vrindavan is Krishna conscious, and everyone in Vrindavan is Krishna conscious, except one person. You. Or me. It's you and me. This is the mudra. This is the mudra for you and me. It's us. So you and me, and we're trying. We pray to be as Krishna conscious. Our only prayer is this: someday in some life, may I be as Krishna conscious as a particle of dust in Vrindavan. Why? Because the Rasik Janas tell us, Vrindavan mein kan bole Shri Radha Radha. Vrindavan mein kan bole Shri Radha Radha. Vrindavan Vihari Lala ki jai. That's a very good position. They're always chanting Shri Radha Radha. You're hearing about Krishna's qualities and his attraction. Hari Shab, this is Shiksha. This is Mahaprabhu's Shiksha to Sanatan. Sanatan means us. Are we not Sanatan?
Yes.
I hope so. I'm banking on that. Because if I only have this one life, I'm not going to make it. This is Sanatan Dharma. This is for the Atma. So Sanatan Shiksha means all jivas. There's a specific jiva, Nityasiddha Jiva, Nityasiddha Parishad, and Sri Sanatan Das Goswami Prabhu. But the instructions to Sanatan are the instructions to us, and the instructions to Uddhava are the instructions to us. And all these Gitas in the Bhagavatam are instructions for us. That's the end of those quotes. So this is a very beautiful section. Later in Chaitanya Charitamrita and Antya Lila, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, now he's totally, at this juncture, he's not teaching now, he's just realizing and tasting. There's a Rasa Swadan. In Madhya Lila, chapter 24, he was a teacher, the guru, the teacher of Sanatana Goswami and all of us. He gave him, Mahaprabhu taught the outline of the Hari Bhakti Vilas, and he taught all the different subjects. If you go through the Sanatana Shiksha, especially, you'll find there's, if you study it, you'll see there's different sections where Lord Chaitanya is teaching Sanatana Sambandha Tattva, because it goes for several chapters, chapter 22, 1, maybe chapter 22, 3, 4 of Madhya Lila. So he's teaching Sambandha Videya and Prayojan to Sanatana. So he talks, one group of verses, he'll be speaking about Krishna Tattva, then Jiva Tattva, then Bhagavat Tattva, and then Prema Tattva. And you can see all those different sections of verses which are so expertly describing. And this is only the outline. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving the outline of these subjects and quoting supporting verses in Bengali and also Sanskrit shlokas. Then later, for no seed of instructions to Sanatana Goswami expanded those instructions into entire philosophical treatises, like Brihad Bhagavatamritam. So later, in Antya Lila, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he's teaching these verses and trying to point out, this is very important verse. That's why he said verses that are quoted once, twice, thrice, 3 times in Chaitanya Charitamrita are very significant Bhagavatam verses to study and very significant Gita verses to study and understand. So again, later, now it's going as a teaching to illustrate different aspects of Prema Tattva to Sanatana Goswami and different degrees of Krishna's attraction. And later in Antya Lila, when Srup Damodar Goswami recites this verse, he's totally in Lalita Bhav. He's totally in Sakhi Bhav, nourishing his fellow Sakhi, Radharani, in the form of Mahaprabhu's Bhav. Mahaprabhu's relishing Radharani's Viraha and separation. So then to churn that Viraha and to churn that ocean of Viraha, when you churn the ocean of Viraha, then you bring out different forms. Just like when you churn the ocean of milk, and different forms come out. An elephant, the form of an elephant comes out, the form of a beautiful woman, Lakshmi Devi, the form of Chandradev, the Grahan, many different forms come out. So Srup Damodar would churn the ocean of Viraha, swirling and breaking in waves in the agitated, love-saturated heart of Mahaprabhu. And from those waves, from that churning of the different shlokas and verses and prema-filled songs that Srup Damodar would sing, then coming out of that ocean of Viraha, the Viraha Samudra, would become Krishna's Rupam. So then Lord Chaitanya would see Krishna and experience Krishna directly in his heart and mind, and oftentimes in a sporti, seeing a vision of Krishna in the garden or on the hill of Chatak or in the Chatak Parvat. He would run towards Krishna to embrace, like Radharani running on Avisar, Unmad Avisarika. Unmad Avisarika Radharani running madly and streaking madly and running down the footpath. Sham, 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 Sham.